Hello. So we're going to be opening up the Zacian Celebrations Deluxe Pin Collection. My wife got this for me for Christmas, and I'm going to open it right now. So let's begin. Okay. All right, that looks pretty. Okay, I propped that up right there. And something else in here. The Zacian card. Okay, nice. Okay, so I gotta be ever so gingerly retrieve these from their boxes. I gotta get the Zacian out. I got big sausage fingers, so this is probably gonna be a little iffy here. It's a cold card. I'm not sure how to retrieve this. Oh wait, it's one of those things. Okay, there it is. All right. Okay, there we go. There we go. Took the lid off. Okay. There it is. Whoop. Okay. Zacian box code card. Joy. And here it is. The Zacian Level X Celebrations. Put that bad boy right there. Don't mind my daughter's unicorn right here. All right. And this cool jumbo big pin. And it feels like it's supposed to do something. Oh, there we go. There you go. It's either a flying Pikachu or a surfing Pikachu. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. So, out of this thing, we got Celebrations, which I am still needing to complete my set. So we got 4 Celebrations, and we got a Vivid Voltage and a Chillin' Rain. Okay. All right. Hopefully I get some good pulls out of this. Okay. Code card. All right. Oh, I see something. Lugia. Hey, Tapu Lily GX and Lunala. All right. Allow me to slam it in the sleeve. Boom. All right. Even though I do have that card, it is a pretty looking card. All right. Okay. Just going to do the cool card later. All right. Gordon. Cosmon. Hey, Garchomp C. Okay, okay. Followed by Professor's Research. Okay. Once again, pretty card. I do have it though, but it's been good hits. Slam it in the sleeve. Boom. All right. 2 packs to go. Come on, baby. Let's do something good. Something I don't have. Take anything. All right. Groudon, Ho-Oh, Flying Pikachu. Okay, all right. Last pack. Okay, let's go. Lugia, Xernas, oh, Claydol. Okay, good, good, but I do have it. And Full Art Pikachu. Okay. So, just gonna slam it in the sleeve. Boom. Put that over there. Okay. Well, Celebrations portion is some good hits, but I do have these cards already. Vivid Voltage or Chillin' Rain. Da-da-da-da, Chillin' Rain. All right, come on. Rub the pack for good luck. There you go. Okay. Okay. Come on, come on, turn the radio on. Okay, rugged helmet and a Celebi V. Okay, good hit there. Slam. Okay, all right. Last one. Vivid Voltage. Okay. 4. Beauty, Shaco, Nuzleaf, Riolo, Chimchu, Kada, Voltorb, Rockcliffe. All right. Hollow and Snorlax Hollow. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. I'll take it. All right. So, out of my Zacian collector's pin box, I've gotten some good pulls out of it. Okay. That's good. The little pin right here. What is he? Is he? Boom, boom. Cool. I'm surfing. Thanks for watching.